Do you experience connectivity gaps in your warehouse? Connectivity issues are common and costly in manufacturing and distribution centers. Employees processing shipments outdoors or moving throughout the warehouse lose connection on their iPads and inventory scanners. Autonomous forklifts drop connections and stop in the middle of your warehouse, causing delays and safety issues. Cox Private Networks has a private cellular solution that can help warehouses bridge their connectivity gaps. Private cellular networks are dedicated wireless connections that provide greater control, reliability, and mobility to give your warehouse a connection you can depend on. Are traditional connectivity solutions not working? With the number of connected devices going up, bandwidth needs growing, and use cases evolving, modern enterprises can no longer rely solely on traditional connectivity tools alone. For example, some warehouses rely on public cellular networks, which can be cost prohibitive. Connections can also be dependent on proximity to radio towers and can slow down when other users are on the network. While Wi-Fi is a valuable component of any IT infrastructure, it is designed for carpeted environments and stationary use cases. Wi-Fi networks in large areas with devices and people on the move can experience issues with device handoffs between access points, causing loss of connectivity. Why is private cellular the right fit? Private cellular complements Wi-Fi to give you better coverage and greater reliability in your warehouse. It is designed to work in highly mobile environments and allows for seamless handoffs between access points. The higher output power and its ability to leverage reflective surfaces further enhances connectivity performance, even in hard-to-reach areas. Additionally, private cellular can boost productivity by offering more control over the network, allowing you to prioritize data traffic to mission-critical devices. Private cellular can help distribution centers that need to keep employees and devices connected, bringing reliable connectivity, expanded coverage, and increased mobility. Make Cox Private Networks your trusted private cellular advisor and provider by contacting us today to set up a complimentary tech review.